Hi, this is Mrs. Granger from Marisa. Today we're going to make fruit roll-ups. These are all of the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make a fruit roll-up today. If you don't have the same fruit, that's okay. Use whatever kind of fruit that you have in your fridge. I need to wash it all, cut it, get it ready to put together. Okay, I have all of the fruit washed, rinsed, and cut up. It is ready to put together. What we're going to use as a wrap, I have a whole grain tortilla. You may have seen a tortilla when you've had a taco or a burrito or quesadilla, but this makes a really fun wrap. I'm going to put a little bit of peanut butter on my wrap. It's going to kind of act like glue to make our fruit stick. I like peanut butter, but I also have used sun butter. So if your family isn't a peanut butter fan or can't have peanuts in your family, you could use something called sun butter. What do you think sun butter is made from? If peanut butter is made from peanuts, what do you think sun butter might be made from? Did you say sunflowers? If you did, you are right. And if you don't have either of those, I've used Greek yogurt and that's super yummy too. Next, I'm going to start putting some fruit on. I have some bananas cut up. Ooh. Adding the bananas in. I was looking at the label of the banana. It tells me where my banana came from. This one came all the way from Honduras. Do you know how far Honduras is? Check it out on the map. See how far this banana had to travel to get to you. Now I'm going to add some strawberries. And a few raspberries. Can you think what other kind of fruit would be really yummy in a fruit roll-up? I was thinking blueberries. Did you say blueberries? How about kiwi fruit? Okay. Ooh, you know what else would be good? I just thought of maybe some apples and sprinkle a little cinnamon inside. That would be delicious. We are ready to wrap our fruit roll-up. You want to roll it over and fold it kind of like a taco. Make sure to get all the stuff in the inside and roll it up. Perfect. I'm going to cut it open so you can see what it looks like on the inside. Beautiful.